Congratulations, LA108ers. We have completed our first writing assignment, your autobiography, and are moving on to the second of our projects this semester, which is a process analysis presentation. What we're doing at this point is we're shifting away from writing in first person autobiography where we were mining our own experience as our source to write from. And we're moving into what is becoming third person objective argument, if you will, where instead of so much mining our own experience, we're going to be doing research and learning about an artistic process and describing it through PowerPoint to an audience. Now, I think your best audience to have in mind is a 14-year-old, very intelligent girl, because writing for that age group will keep you honest. Now, um, something to bear in mind in choosing your topic, don't get complicated, okay? We're aiming for simple artistic processes, such as are taught at the academy. So, for example, how to sculpt a human head, how to design a 3D character in a video game, how to compose a song, how to redesign a kitchen. Okay. So you want to start thinking this module about what artistic process you want to research and guide your reader through step by step, right? The idea is that by the time you've completed this project and someone reads it, they would actually be able to use your process analysis presentation as a basis upon which to actually do it. So there you go. It's got a pragmatic, practical side. And it also gives you a chance to get creative with your images and your research and your quotations of artists and how you arrange everything. So I will be posting examples for you this module. And, the first step in writing is probably the most important. So if you get a good foundation here in this module, the rest of the generation of your presentation will come pretty easily. Okay, I look forward to working with you on this second project.